Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix SkyQ keeps turning off, power, sleep mode and auto standby troubleshooting. Fixes are: check the power cable. Turn off your SkyQ box using the power button, then unplug the power cable from the SkyQ box and the wall socket. Check that the cable is not loose or damaged. Plug the cable back in firmly at both ends. Then turn the SkyQ box back on and check if it stays powered on. Second one is restart the SkyQ box. Press the power button to switch off the SkyQ box, then unplug it from the wall socket. Wait at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully start. Check if the box still turns off by itself. Third one is turn off auto standby. Press the home button on your SkyQ remote, then go to settings. Select setup, then preference. Find auto standby, then set it to off and choose a longer standby time. Save the changes and test the box. Fourth one is check the sleep mode settings. Open settings from the home menu, then go to setup and select preference. Review any sleep or energy saving option. Disable them or increase the timeout period. Exit the menu and monitor the box. Fifth one is make sure the box has good ventilation. Turn off the SkyQ box, remove any object covering the box. Leave at least a few inches of space around all sides, then clean dust from the vent with a soft dry cloth. Turn the box back on and check if overheating was the cause. Thanks for watching.